Okay, let's drizzle this one on top. Welcome back to my channels. Today we are going to make steamed barramundi with lime. Very delicious. You need to try to make this one. If you don't have barramundi, you can use any type of fish. This recipe is gonna be perfect for every fish. Let's get started, shall we? First, here is the ingredient. And this is what you need. You need snapper, water, white vinegar for cleaning, fish sauce, garlic, salt, plum sugar, lime, chili, coriander root, lemongrass, celery, and any vegetable that you prefer to steam it with. Alright, now that you know the ingredient, the next step is to clean the fish. But while we're doing that, I want to start on the fire first, and that is when the coals come in. For using this one, you need a charcoal. Use oil, any type of oil that you've been used already, so dark, charcoals, and some paper towel and lighter. Alright, I'm gonna wet the towel, the tissue, with oil. That's gonna slow down the heat, keep the heat last longer. That will be enough for you to start the coals. Now arrange the coals around the stove. Make it build like a dome. Turn the heat on and toast. Alright, right away we're gonna set up the water. We're gonna boil the water. So when we clean the fish and everything, the water will be boiled enough for us to steam. Sung is steamer. This is Thai steamer. We want to get the one that bigger than the plate you want to put the fish in. If you don't have this one, you can just do with a pot, a pan that you have. And then you put your little bowl into the pot like this, and then a plate, put it on top. And pop up our steamer, just like that. There you go. Now we go clean the fish. The bucket is in this one. This is very Thai style thing. You know the deal how to clean the fish. I'm just gonna clean the fish over here while you enjoy the view. It's raining a little bit. It was raining before that, so I really like it so very much. Cooking fish when raining, perfect. First we need to get the scalp out of this fish. To prepare the fish, you need vinegar and salt. It's not even. Can you see it? The scale is flying. The scale is flying. Around the cheek too. I love to eat fish head. So on the cheek, just have the scale. You could just cut that off if you don't like. And also around here, this is where the fatty part. I will call this one is like a pork belly of the fish. Very fatty. This is why we have this table right where the banana tree is. So the banana can get water. We double check, we got all the scaled out. We will cut the fish. Can find a sharp knife. And then just scoop that out. Alright, the gut I will put in the soil under my tree. Now we scrub the fish with some salt and vinegar, and then we'll be ready to steam. Give a fish a good massage. For when they have this thing, don't go like this. You know why, don't go like that. And don't forget inside of the tummy too. Get that fish nice and clean. Alright, now pour the vinegar on it. Okay, now clean with water. Last step. Now that the fish is clean, we're gonna this one cut into like this, so when we eat it's easy for us to get the meat. Do like this and like that. Do the same with this one. Okay, so next step is stuff it with lemongrass. Chop half of it in the belly. How much this asparagus in Thailand in the market, as you can see in the video? Guess how much for this? 20 baht, less than $1. Asparagus doesn't go together with the fish, but I feel like have asparagus. You know what's going well? Cabbage. Cabbage is under the knee. Put lemongrass here, fish, and now this fish is ready for steam. Okay, ready. And now we put the fish to sleep. Have a little nap, little fishy. Now we're gonna go and make the lamb sauce to drizzle on top of the fish when this one cooks. I like the red chili. What we're gonna do is we're gonna cut the chili in half, soak it in the salt water to make it less spicy, and we're gonna put the seed out. And this is how you eat spicy food, less spicy. Oh my god, I wish I could make a video of me eating spicy food, you guys. You would not understand how hard it is to not be able to enjoy the chili when you're Thai. I have made the sauce. The video cut off. I'm filming myself, I don't know what's going on. But anyway, just put the ingredients is under the description. I'm so sorry, you guys. Now we're gonna put this sauce on top of the fish. Jump cut to this part where we're gonna put the lamb sauce into the fish, and we're gonna steam it for another couple minutes, and sprinkle it with celery and lime and a little bit decoration of the garlic. Wow. Okay, let's drizzle this one on top. Okay, close it first, and we're gonna put coriander celery on top. Okay, let's sprinkle some coriander. I keep saying this coriander, I mean celery, and then garlic and some lime, and cover it for 1 minute. Ready? 1, 2, 3. taste test. Now I put quite a lot of chili, but we'll see if it's spicy or not. A little bit of sauce. Cheers. Whoa. Wow, very refreshing, very sour. Oh, just like how I love it. I love sour food. One more bite. Cheers. Yummy. The snappers, always a win-win. Alright guys, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. I hope you guys have an amazing day. See you guys in the next video. Bye bye.